Merry Christmas everyone, and today I will be reviewing Yasterd nail art brushes from Yasterd.com. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this one here is the Yasterd nail art brushes. It comes with 5 pieces double-ended nail art brushes, and this one is the Kolinsky brush. So I'm gonna start with a Yasterd round oval Kolinsky acrylic nail brush. It is a top quality made out of 100% Kolinsky fur, and it is easy to control, very sturdy, lightweight, and portable. It is great for extended use. So this one I am holding now, this is the size number 8, and it also comes with a size number 10, size number 12, 14, and 16. And the next one is the Yasterd 5 pieces double-ended nail art brushes, and I really love this one because I love the color, but I also love the fact that they also put the name of the brush and the sizes. Like this one, this is the liner brush 9mm, and then the other side was the liner brush 11mm, and this is what it looks like. It is great, especially if you're a beginner. And next one is, this one is the stroke brush and the ombre brush. So this is the stroke brush. And the ombre brush. Next is another liner brush. This is a 5mm. And this is what it looks like. And the other end is also a liner brush. It is size 7mm, and this is what it looks like. And next is the 3D brush and the round gel brush, and this is what the 3D brush looks like. And the other end is the round gel brush. This is what it looks like. And the brush is very soft and smooth. Next is the liner brush 15mm, and the other end is the liner brush 20mm. So this is the 15mm. And the other end is the liner brush 20mm. And this is all the brushes with the Kolinsky brush, and I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. This is really highly recommended product because you can use it professionally and for home use. And now I will be making a Christmas nail art using the Yasterd nail art brushes. Yasterd nail art brushes is available at Yasterd.com. After using the nail art brushes, I really love it because it is very soft and smooth. It is easy to use, it is lightweight and comfortable. And I love the stylish design with the double-ended nail art brushes. It is perfect to create the perfect art with a perfect style. So make sure to check the link below so you can check it out. And Merry Christmas everyone, Happy Holidays, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.